it's Rue. In this video, we'll be making the Tom Collins. Are you ready to make this drink with me? Let's get started. To make this drink, we need to gather these ingredients. Gin, I have here from St. George. If you have an Old Tom gin, you can use that as well. Club soda, simple syrup, lemon, and a cherry. 5 items. It's still time, let's go grab them. Ice, a shaker, a tall glass, a juice squeezer, a jigger, and a knife. First step, what we're going to do is roll our lemon. From here, we're going to cut this lemon in half. Grab your juice squeezer. We'll be squeezing 1 ounce of lemon juice. Pour the juice into the shaker. Now, take your simple syrup. Pour 1/2 ounce of simple syrup into the shaker. Grab your gin, pour 1.5 ounces of gin into the shaker. Add ice, close the lid, and take your drink. Add ice into your highball glass. Pour your drink. It's club soda time. What we're going to do is pour 2 ounces, which will take you about right here. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually show you using a jigger. Grab your lemon and squeeze the zest around. And this is optional, we're adding a cherry garnish as well. And there you go, my friends, the Tom Collins. Cheers.
If you want to learn how to make more cocktail drinks from home, subscribe and hit that bell button so you don't miss an episode. Comment below if there's a drink you would like to see next.